Hello. So a friend showed me this picture that you see on the right of a document camera hack using Zoom and a cell phone a while ago, but I hadn't had an opportunity to try it. And when I decided out of nowhere to do it tonight, I just got so excited I wanted to hop in and make a video right away. So the way that it works is you set up your phone on something kind of higher up so that it's a distance away that you can see whatever you want to write on. I know there are a lot of math teachers, a lot of science teachers, especially maybe some art teachers and some other people who just, you need that paper pencil interaction with your students. So you want to record yourself doing some videos, or you want to get on Zoom sessions with your students and be able to do some things live, and you just don't have a doc camera. So this is a really neat way, and it works. So I am logged in on my school account, running the session on my computer so that I can do screen recording. But you could also easily, if you pull up Zoom, you can just record. Nobody has to be in your room for you to record, so you can do it either way. And then also I have a personal account, and that's what I signed in on my phone as a participant, and then I named it Doc. So when you're in Zoom, this is what you're going to see, and you can see kind of my setup is a little bit strange. I'm on a bench actually. I had it up here on the table, but it was just a little high, so I put it down on the arm of my bench. And I'm okay, you know, just sitting on the floor if I have to while I've got my paper down there. But just find the setup that works for you. So once you're in Zoom, you get to see the people that you have participating across the top. If you double click on your other participant, boom, there it is. And let's say that it is too high, it's not close enough, you can zoom in and adjust as needed. And then just do what it is that you need to do. So you might have to practice, especially if you're not used to using an actual doc camera, which I am not, not obscuring what it is that you are writing, which I am struggling with right now, I'm not going to lie. But this just gives you an easy setup that you can use. It took me maybe 4 minutes to figure out. So use Zoom, record yourself using Zoom, get on Zoom and use a screen recording software like Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify like I am, and just try it. And hopefully this just gives you a way to get back some power that maybe you feel like you lost when you left the classroom. Good luck.